Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. So, in the manual it said that you need to press 2 times at your main earbud. And now, as you can see, my main earbud is the right one because it's connected to the right earbud. But what the best, that the truth is you can press 2 times at any of these earbuds. Now, let's check. The left one, not main earbud, 1, 2. And as you can see, Siri is awake. Let's check the right one, 1, 2. Siri also awake. So, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!